Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a game card on Xbox. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in xbox.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Xbox website by Microsoft. Now from this page, click on the Games drop-down menu at the top section and then click on Redeem Code. This will then take you into the Game Code Redeem menu, from which you can enter the code for your game and redeem your code. If you haven't signed into your account already, you will be asked to log into your account. So go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number and then proceed with logging into your account. After signing into your account, you will be taken into the home page, from which you can click on the Games drop-down menu and then click on Redeem Code once again to redeem your game code. You can also find the same option by clicking on My Xbox and then clicking on Rewards. After clicking on these pages, you can simply enter your gift card redeem code and then you will be able to redeem your gift card right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your game card on Xbox. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.